Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Lyndoch in the Barossa Valley.
Lyndoch is a picturesque, historic town in the Southern Barossa Valley in South Australia. Surrounded by vineyards and rolling hills, it offers a relaxed country atmosphere, charming heritage buildings, and easy access to some of the region's most famous wineries. Lyndoch is located approximately 60 kilometres northeast of Adelaide.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. In today's video we wander around the town centre, visit Chateau Yaldara, the Whispering Wall and the Lyndoch Lavender farm. We also enjoy the art and views at 1837 Barossa and explore the Barossa Chateau.
Lyndoch was established in 1837 and is one of the oldest towns in South Australia. The town centre has a lovely village green, a cafe, a bakery, a supermarket and the Ministry of Beer Brewery. The Lyndoch Hotel was built in 1869 and was originally called the Farmers Rest Hotel. It was later renamed the Travellers Rest Hotel and then the Lyndoch Hotel in 1937. In 1914, a fire gutted the building, but it was rebuilt in the same architectural style, preserving its historic character. The Lord Lyndoch is a family-owned and run boutique Barossa restaurant and bistro in the centre of town. After wandering around Lyndoch, we drove 4 kilometres to Chateau Yaldara.
The beautiful Baroque-style Chateau Yaldara was built in 1967 on the site of an old flour mill. The cellar door is open daily from 9 AM to 4 PM and you can enjoy a guided premium or fortified wine tasting. We enjoyed a wine tasting and the self-guided tour of Chateau Yaldara. As we wandered through the original cellars, we learnt about the winery and saw some of their original products. After visiting Chateau Yaldara, we drove 6 kilometres to the Barossa Reservoir Reserve.
One of the Barossa Valley's quirkiest and most fun stops is the Whispering Wall at the Barossa Reservoir Reserve. The reservoir was built between 1899 and 1902, and this historic dam isn't just impressive to look at, it's famous for its incredible parabolic acoustics. If you stand at one end of the curved wall and someone walks 140 metres over the reservoir to the other side, you can whisper to them. We were amazed at how clearly we could hear the whispers as the sound travelled around the wall due to the parabola effect. The Barossa Reservoir Reserve is open daily from 8:30 a.m. till 5 p.m, and this is a fun, free experience. The reserve also has picnic tables, lookouts, toilets and a nature playground.
From Lyndoch we drove approximately 6 kilometres to the Lyndoch Lavender Farm. The Lyndoch Lavender Farm is open daily from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m, and the cafe is open on weekends from January to August and daily from September to December. This lovely family-owned farm has been operating for more than 30 years and grows a wide variety of lavender, so there will usually be at least one variety flowering when you visit. We enjoyed a lovely Devonshire tea in the gardens overlooking the lavender fields. Then we wandered around the gardens and browsed through the shop, which has a great range of lavender products and local treats.
Located on a hilltop approximately 3 kilometres from Lyndoch, 1837 Barossa is a striking winery estate that combines history, wine and panoramic views across the Barossa Valley. The cellar door is open from Wednesday to Sunday from 10 a.m. till 5 p.m, and the restaurant is open from 11 a.m. till 9 p.m. 6 days a week. It is closed on Wednesdays. The hilltop setting has stunning views over the vineyards and the Barossa Ranges, making it a fantastic spot for photos. The estate commemorates the year 1837, when Colonel William Light, founder of Adelaide and first Surveyor General of South Australia, travelled through the area and named the Barossa. A life-size bronze monument of Colonel Light on horseback stands on the property, marking the birthplace of the Barossa. One of the highlights of our visit was wandering around the 1837 Barossa Art Trail. This free walking trail features contemporary sculptures by international artists. Located just outside 1837 Barossa, the giant Welcome to the Barossa sculpture is an impressive 12-metre long sign that is free to visit and open every day, making it a great place to capture a memorable photo.
Located just outside Lyndoch, the Barossa Chateau is an elegant estate that combines wine, art and roses. It was officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II in 2002, and this grand chateau has a cellar door, cafe and gift shop. It is open Thursday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. We enjoyed wandering around the Grand Ballroom Art and Antique Gallery, which features original artworks, antiques and collections of fine china displayed beneath ornate chandeliers. The Barossa Chateau also has wine tastings, a lovely gift shop, and the cafe has high teas, Devonshire teas and light lunches. The property also features the famous Queen's Rose Garden, home to thousands of roses and walking paths that were officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II in 2002.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.